Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today I'm gonna be reviewing a hair for you guys, a wig, let's say that. And the wig is from Love Me Hair. Of course, y'all know they got me covered with all them glueless wigs, so let's get into it. Let's see what they sent me in the box. This tail comb here, and they also sent me a pair of stocking cap slash wig cap. Next up, they sent me some elastic band, and let me tell you, I travel with these things, especially when I have lace wig on. They are a lifesaver. And I got this edge brush too. And lastly, I got this lace mesh bag that I could keep my wig in after I'm done wearing it. And this is the wig, guys. As you can see, I already have a side part for you. You really don't have to do anything to this hair besides cutting the lace off, and I will be showing you guys that. So the wig is super short, as you can see, because it's a bob wig, and let me tell y'all, I am so in love with this length, this wig. Actually, I really love bob wigs, so I guess that's it. And it has two clips in the sides as usual, and there you see it has another one in the back, and it also has this adjustable elastic band on it that will help to secure the wig on. Like I said, the wig is glueless, so you will need no glue, no gel, nothing to hold it down, and y'all will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on before I do anything to it, just to see what the wig looks like. And already, guys, look at it. It looks like I have done stuff to it, you know what I'm saying? All I did was throw it on my head, and look at how good that look. I mean, you could see the lace is still there, but it's barely visible. It has a side part for you, so if you like side part, then this wig is definitely for you. And you will see when I'm all done, you know, fixing it up. Right now I'm just combing through it just to see, you know, what it looks like, what I need to do to it, you know, to make it look flawless. So first thing first, I cut the lace off, and as you can see, I'm gonna be folding it down so you could see I cut it in a zigzag pattern as best as I could, because I don't have a zigzag scissors. And I also added some foundation where the parting is, and a little wig tint on the front of the lace that will match more with my skin tone. So here I am putting the wig on because I want you guys to see what it looks like. Here I'm combing through it to get all the strands of hair where they should be, and I'm also taking out any of them that may get caught under the lace in the front. So that's what I'm doing right here. I also gave it a little swoop on the side and bring it back over my ears or behind my ears. And I really like it. I leave a little piece, kind of like a sideburn, but not really because it's longer than a sideburn. But I leave a little piece out at the side. I really love this look, so this is how I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna add some edge wax stick on it, but y'all know me, I don't put it directly on it. I rub it into my hand, and then I wipe or rub my hand over it. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna go over it with my flat iron, and I believe this is all I did to the wig, you know what I'm saying, to perfect it, because it was already looking good. By the way, I only went over the sides with the flat iron because I really didn't need to do too much to it, but I wanted it to frame my face, so that's the reason why I had to flat iron it a little bit. But the back was okay, so I didn't bother touching that. And that's all I did to this glueless wig, guys. Now I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And here it is guys, all done, makeup done, hair done, outfit change, you know what I'm saying, and I'm feeling flawless. This wig is just super cute, and it's funny because every time I put a bob wig on, my son absolutely loves it. Like, he cannot refrain from telling me how good it looks on me. I myself love a really good bob wig, so this wig is most definitely one of my favorite right now. So I told y'all it's glueless, but y'all are probably wondering how could a glueless wig look so natural, but there we go, the proof. It's definitely glueless. There is no glue, there's no gel, nothing holding this wig on except for the elastic band that it came with. I mean, if you're looking for a wig that you really don't have to do too much to, then this is the wig for you, sis. And I will be linking all the information to the wig down below in my description box, so definitely check that out. And I'm also going to be leaving a discount code for you guys down in the description box and here on the screen, so make sure you use it when you go on their website to purchase any of their units. And again, this wig is from Love Me Hair, just in case you missed it in the beginning. As usual guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!